The state of the people in society. At the moment, our Chechen society is heavily Islamized. One part uses this to deceive the people and get their own benefit. The other part, in their naivety, believes preachers and politicians. They don't understand that this is a road to nowhere. Thus, we have many people who want to create an Islamic state after the occupation. The Russian state and their special services played a big role in this Islamization. They know very well how profitable it is for Russia to present the Chechens as savages. They are successfully implementing this plan. Many Chechens don't understand how profitable it is for the Russians. They grew up and developed because the Russians built 1,400 mosques and other religious organizations in small Chechen Republic. And all the youth have been driven there for the past 3 decades. They haven't built us a single good educational institution. In terms of human development, the Chechens are now in a deplorable state. The greatest victims of this situation are people who have retained their minds, developed people. They cannot express their opinion openly. Even friends and relatives will stop them and tell them to shut up. The radical sectarian version of religion is elevated to something inviolable and true. At the same time, these sectarians themselves are usually the most vicious people, and this is visible to the naked eye. In traditional Chechen society, there has never been such an outrage. In its mentality, our society was democratic. All historical sources say this. Now it is a kingdom of crooked mirrors. What is shameful in the Chechen mentality is now the norm. What was the best manifestation of beauty and nobility in our country is trampled as something shameful. Civilized Chechens need help and support from the civilized world and state.